What is going on, bulls and bears? Super crypto. We're gonna do a quick TA on Solana. So Solana right now is kind of chopping around. It always chops around, honestly, between this area 24, 83, and then like once it gets into 2178, it really chops around here. So I hate kind of doing similar TA for Solana, but it hasn't really made its big move quite yet. Right now, though, RSI is holding above neutral. That's a very good sign. Your next short-term bullish targets are going to be, I'm going to say, right now we're encountering resistance at 2135, but the big target really, the big resistance is 2178. After that, your next major resistance is 2269 and then 2352. So those are all potentially on the table. There are higher targets potentially on the table, but I won't talk about that quite yet. Um, I will segue into how that could be achieved, and that's based off two scenarios, how the bullish scenario could be achieved. So if the DXY, scenario one, if the DXY didn't fully top out, that means the next leg up is going to be somewhere between 105.45 and 104.67. I think that's where it's going to top out, and then we'll have our push down. Scenario two is we already did top out, and now we're on our way down. So if scenario two plays out immediately, we could start seeing those bullish targets. Now, if scenario one plays out, then we're gonna see some bearish indicators, right? So pay attention to $20.27, 19.10, 18.30. There's a little bit more downside that I see in the charts, probably somewhere below 1747. Um, but we're kind of in a we're kind of in a weird spot right now. So I'm kind of waiting how things play out because it could really be 50-50. But big picture wise, the DXY will eventually go down. So that's big picture. It's a matter of like how do you want to time your entries, all that stuff. And again, not financial advice, right? Anyways, what I'm looking at for the total crypto market cap, if we can maintain and hold above 1.179 trillion, I think that would solidify that there's going to be some bullish momentum continuing forward. So that's all I really want to talk about. I had no sound in my video last night, so I apologize for that. Outside of that, be sure to trade safe, trade smart, and don't forget, we're all in this together. Peace.